me no know, me no know, me no know, me no know, me no know. What the hell is going on? Me no like when me see a go.
Welcome to Lion TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Bless everyone, greetings my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Big up on yourself. Welcome to Lion TV. I don't know, we say give thanks to life, health and strength. Another day, another chance, another opportunity at life to make life better. Saints, so don't give up, don't stop trying. Yes, man. Anyone there will have blessings, you see me. Give thanks for your continuous support. Yes, you see me, some viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Yeah, man, if you're new to the platform, please consider, you know what I mean, subscribing, click the bell. Welcome to the family. You know what I mean? Welcome to the jungle. Yes, man, viewers and subscribers. Coming up in this episode, you don't know, we have a few points where we're going to talk about, like Brit. We get beat up on stage by the selector. We see a lot of mixed comments, you know what I mean, surrounding that issue. You see, we also have a brother, a fellow man, went into the hotel for buy, buy oil and, go stripper, go closer, this thing. I ended up get a lady boy. Zin. Why? But anyway, I'm showing you that. You see me, and they don't know where to kick off the show with the local vibes. You see me, I say Beenieman up on the plane. You see me, I say entertain the fans them. Big up the Dr. Beenieman. You see me, I say. But before we kick it off, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, as usual, I'm begging to please go and check out EP, Welcome to Kingston. I know we are going to campaign it, I promote it. Me alone, me, myself, and I. So, me asking for the support. So, me I say, Holy Emmanuel, blessed love.
Welcome to Kingston. Welcome to Jamaica. Welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Larmobile, you will stay. Take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go. Oh na 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 na. Oh na na na. It's all about love. Big fat sister Naomi. And the two of them they know me. And them argument. Alright, so if I say Simma. Oh my keys to the winner. Oh my.
Yes, man, so that's the man himself. Beenieman, big up yourself, the king, Beenieman. Yes, man, they're one part of the plane, I go one part of the world. I think Bahamas or Dominican Republic in go, you see me? But anyway, I'm up on the plane and you don't know the fans, them know the doctor, so you must entertain the fans, them. Anyway, Beenieman there, nice. You see me? So you can see the people relate. You see what I say? I know if me need it on the plane, me and jump in and say, man, a girl is from birth. A long time me I take off girl blouse and skirt. You see me? But let me know what you think about that, my viewers and subscribers. Big up yourself, Beenieman. A greatness, man. Good look, man. You see? Moving on now, I'm going to talk about Brit. You know Brit, one of the popular female social media influencer, artist, whatever dancer, comedian, feisty, no manners, behavior. You see me I say? Yeah, Brit came in an altercation with a selector over the weekend, she was manhandled, them say she get bust up face and all of them things about. Me watch the video, I don't know where to stem from, what caused it, and as I said, I see different mixed comments out there, people say she get trouble all the while, she go around and disrespect people, but that still don't give the brother the right to put his hands on her. We don't support violence against women around here. Child. Now men, I know man. Talk it over if you can, But anyway, I watched the video and I saw Brit. She was the aggravator. She kept aggravating the selector, going up to his face, bunks him and all of them things. They like some bullies him. And Jamaica, especially, the men them that take styling from women. Now nobody. Jamaica is a country where the man them beat the woman beat them woman. You see me? Yeah. Yes, don't misquote me, and I'm not in support of men putting their hands on women, nor women putting their hands on men. You see? And not every Jamaican man put the man on woman, but I just saw the thing set at Jamaica. You see me? Yes, Jamaica is not a normal place. See? That's the facts. You see me I say? Yeah. Jamaica is like that, So she kept a bounce up on the selector. This is what I saw. Zine said the selector retaliate. I think the third time or the fourth time she go up in his face and bounce him and them thing there. I don't know if she said something that triggered him off. Because when she bounced up on him and I shove him, he didn't do nothing. So I don't know if it's something was said, you know what I mean? And you know a big public space that where everybody I watch. You see me? As you can see on the screen, you know, she up in her face. As I said, I now show the video because the YouTube policy, but I see it already. I just give my 2 pence, you know, and she up on the ground. So we see her with thing over her eye. She is making claim that she was being robbed from her community. Them rob her and cuss her and beat her and all them thing there. And people that say a lie, she tell. So let me know what you guys think still. We still not support you know, violence against women. Maybe the brother could have just walk her out and leg on the mic and come up at the stage. And the people them around there I watch. Maybe them could have intervened also. The other is selected them and the man them could have intervened and say, yo, Brit, behave yourself before it got out of hand. Let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. But I saw me see it still, is it? Yeah, man. Yes, man, moving on now, you have a brother here, they one part of the world, one hotel. Like him order one go, you know, one of them seller there. You see me? You don't go up on Tinder or you have other sites where you can pick your match and one night stand, you see me? So anyway, the person turn up at the hotel now. I mean, I don't know if him get the blow job or we don't know if him get the side of blow job, but look like my assumption is not the S-Wally never go on. Maybe when time on the S-Wally thing I go on now. You know, as a matter of fact, watch and listen and hear what I go on.
I'm not gonna pay you because I'm not.
Yes, I work for
Yeah,
money.
but I'm not gonna fucking pay you for that. That I didn't know about that.
I'm the boy.
Go away with that bottle. Go away with that.
Yeah, so basically, me I try to pick up the accent there, but I don't know the brother from Africa now, but you know the lady, well, she say, I'm lady boy, I work for money. And the man said, go away, I'm not gonna pay you for that. Zine, I'm not gonna pay you for that. I didn't know you was that. So basically, he must say, I'm not gonna pay you for that. My assumption is maybe him get a local blow job first, you know, and then when time the S-Wally thing for going now. And Nick has got to drop him, got to see 2 blank balls. You're going to see 2 blank balls drop down. Viewers and subscribers, yo. But that goes to show you that so the world set right now. Man, that's something one. Like, she come here, the person say, I'm a lady boy. I work for money. But at the end of the day, what she do, she smashed the TV in the hotel room and cut, you see me? So maybe the brother forgot pay for that to hire the hotel, who booked the hotel, he might forgot pay for that, for damages, you know what I mean? But let me know what you think, my viewers. Boy, I tell you the world dangerous out there, you know. That's why I have to be careful, not just by buying go hotel and order over and them. You can just meet a person outside and know say them are that, because you know them a change up them body, you know, them gender, them a take pill, them a take injection for get breasts and change them hormones and all sort of them sitting there. But don't know them viewers and subscribers each to them one. Let me know what you think still said. A lion foot, big up on yourself, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click the bell. Please, me I beg you, thanks. And please remember to check out my EP, Welcome to Kingston. I know your support is highly appreciated. I appreciate you all. Saying, Holy Emmanuel I Selassie, blessed love.
Kingston was the hottest event. Up done Monday, bossy Tuesday, boom boom I represent. Can't tire the dancer, check in and present. Everyone I enjoy themselves 100%.